You're going to pull down. You're going to look back. You're going to turn, square, contact, separate, sit back, push up and forward. Okay, let's go to the next one now. We did it on the left, we're going to do it on the right. You're going to drop, turn, hold your ball on tiptoe. You're going to pull out. You're going to pull the tail down, look back, turn, square, contact, separate, sit back, come down, up, and forward. Drop your right hand, turn your right foot. Okay, going to get into cloud hands. This is called single whip.